Hello, everyone, and welcome to our session today. I have selected a very interesting topic for all educators worldwide: AI in education. Let's start. I will share the screen and the presentation with you, and we will start together with AI in education. We're going to talk about AI tools for educators. So my name is Farah Rustom. I'm Microsoft Certified Trainer, Microsoft Certified Educator, Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, more the author at Book Club Self-Help. Let's have a look at the agenda. Today we will start with the objectives, then artificial intelligence, then generative artificial intelligence, the role of artificial intelligence in education, AI tools for educators, and I will share activities with you, resources, and the conclusion. So what are the objectives for today? We learn together about artificial intelligence and generative artificial intelligence, and we'll see the differences between both. We're going to learn about AI tools, how to integrate AI tools to personalize learning experiences, and then we're going to gain practical knowledge to integrate artificial intelligence into your teaching tool. So what is artificial intelligence? Are you using artificial intelligence on daily basis? Let's see. I will share several examples and we will see together if you are using artificial intelligence. If you are purchasing online, this is artificial intelligence. If you are searching for specific recipes or individualized health plans, this is artificial intelligence. If you are typing an email or a document, there is assistant on spelling, grammar, or writing mechanics. If you are searching for a piece of news, this is artificial intelligence. If you are using your GPS for specific locations and destinations, you are using artificial intelligence. More and more, if you are looking for financial advice from online banking institutions, you are using artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is already a part of our lives and we rely on it for many things. Let's move to generative artificial intelligence. Generative artificial intelligence is a unique category of artificial intelligence. But generative artificial intelligence focuses on creating new content. What do I mean by that? A new content including not only text, similar to artificial intelligence, but also code, graphics, or audio. How it works? Generative artificial intelligence uses patterns it has learned from data to generate new output. And this ability it makes it different and sets it apart from other AI types. So by now, we know that we are already using artificial intelligence, and we will see how we're going to use generative artificial intelligence in this session. Artificial intelligence role in education. As generative AI is growing, as it continues to advance and mature, its impact on various industries, including the job market, increases. The learners, our students, are currently in classes, but sooner will enter a workforce where AI has not only undergone fundamental improvement, but also transformed existing careers. There are going to be new professions. What do I mean by that? New professions, such as AI experts, robotics engineer, data analyst, AI product manager, and other new professions, and reshape job descriptions. So one of the important roles of educators in this evolving technological world is to prepare our learners and students for the new challenges and for the new opportunities they will face in the future. What are the essential skills for educators to learn? In a recent Microsoft 2023 Work Trend Index report, 82 of leaders across various industries, and I mean here such as engineering, education, media and news, healthcare, hospitality, arts, and other industries, they say their employees will need new skills to be prepared for the growth of artificial intelligence. Skills like what? Skills like critical thinking, like analytical judgment, like complex problem solving, and we don't forget creativity and originality are new core competences. And this is not for only AI experts or robotics engineers or technical roles, but this is for all employees, including educators, of course. So, embracing, understanding generative AI and its potential to enhance the world, this is the first step, ensuring that our students are going to be equipped to progress in their future endeavors. As educators, understand generative AI, adopt and incorporate artificial intelligence technologies into teaching and learning practices, they better prepare learners for the future. They will familiarize the learners with AI tools and applications, and here educators will help the students develop critical skills and competences that are valuable in a wide range of professions. I have selected a few AI tools for educators. I will start with speech to text, transcription and caption feature in Microsoft Teams. I will show you read aloud feature, and this is included in Outlook, Microsoft Edge, PowerPoint, and others. I will show you Microsoft Translator, and we will talk about Microsoft Think. Let's start with the speech to text transcription and captioning feature. Microsoft Teams supports speech to text transcription and captioning feature for online meetings and calls. Who will benefit from this feature? Students with hard of hearing or deaf students. They will be able to participate in online communication. As you can see here, once you are using Microsoft Teams for online webinars and meetings, you can see the captions and you can see the transcript. I'll show you more. Here, for example, I'm using online I'm using Microsoft Teams for online meeting. And if you select these three dots, you're going to have that drop down arrow. You're going to have record and transcribe, start transcription. Moreover, if you want to use the caption, also in Microsoft Teams, you will select from this drop down arrow, language and speech, and here you turn on the captions. And this will facilitate for the students, for deaf students, to participate in online webinars. Let's move to read aloud feature. Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Edge, PowerPoint include read aloud feature. This read aloud feature uses text-to-speech technology. It reads web pages, it reads documents and emails. So students with dyslexia, ADHD students, or autistic students, they can access and consume digital content. Of course, we're going to have examples soon. What about Microsoft Translator? Microsoft Translator is a translation service that supports speech-to-speech, text-to-speech, enable communication across different languages and formats in Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and other Office 365 apps. So here, if you're working in international schools, and you have students from different backgrounds, you have educators from different backgrounds and languages, it will be easy to communicate with each others. Let's move now to Microsoft Think. How Microsoft Think will help us search results from across the web and provide up-to-date answers. Summarize responses to prompts specific questions and needs. Provide links to content sources. And we will see now together few examples and activities to understand more AI tools for educators. I will start with Microsoft Edge first. I have selected a PDF, and as you can see here, I will show you now how to use the read aloud feature. If you select read aloud feature for any PDF or a web page or a document, then here you will listen. Okay, I can pause. I can use the read previous paragraph or the read next paragraph. One more time. You can listen. So I'm using now read aloud feature, read aloud a PDF using Microsoft Edge. Let's move to another example. I will show you now how to use translator. I'm using online Word. I have typed just a sentence. I've selected the sentence here, as you can see, and then just right click. You can select translate and translate selection. I have only here one sentence. If you have a document, you can select the whole document. Fine. Okay, after that, as you can see here, we have the translator pane. And my name is Farah Rustam. I want to translate from English to French. Je m'appelle Farah Rostom and I can insert. Here, as you can see here, I have just inserted the new translation sentence. Je m'appelle Farah Rostom. And this feature can be used in different Office 365 apps. Also, I can select any language I want. So now let's move also to another feature. I'll show you here an example of another feature. For example, I will use Microsoft Think. You will just type Microsoft Think and we will see together how can we use Microsoft Think in our classes. For example, I have a project for my students and I want Microsoft Think to help me to generate suggestions. Let me show you how. New topic, and here I want write project. I want to type a project for students. Okay, write me 2 suggestions about outdoor activities. And then I will submit my prompt. I'm waiting now to have 2 suggestions for outdoor activities since I'm preparing a project for my students. As you can see here, the first one is hiking and the second kayaking. Hiking here, it has given me a suggestion, write for my student a prompt and to ask them to write about hiking, for example. But what about to type another prompt and ask Microsoft Think to be more specific because I want this project for my students in grade 1. So instead of typing only project for students, I'll be more specific and I will add for grade 1. Write me 2 suggestions about simple outdoor activities. And now I will submit the other prompt. And I'm asking now, again, Microsoft Think through Copilot, give me 2 suggestions, but here I'm more specific. I have added, I want project for students in grade 1. So I'm going to have more suggestions, more detailed and simple suggestions that are suitable for students in grade 1. And as you can see here, I have the examples. Also, I have the sources. And I have more questions if I want to go further with more suggestions for my students and for my project. As you can see here, we have learn more and we have the resources. Also, I have like, I have dislike, I can copy it to Word document or I can export. Moving now to the presentation, back to the presentation. I have also more resources to share with you once it is possible. And this is for today our presentation. We have talked about artificial intelligence in general and its uses. We have talked about a unique category, generative AI and its uses. We have talked about importance and the role of educators to prepare our students and learners for new professions and for a new world, for the growth of artificial intelligence. I have shared the skills, the essential skills that educators need nowadays and for the future to integrate artificial intelligence, to understand the potential of a generative artificial intelligence, and how they can use it in their teaching and learning practices. I have shared a few AI tools you can use and you can try for any class, for any level in your school, and the resources at the end. Thank you for now, and hopefully it was a successful and fruitful session, and see you with more sessions soon. Thank you, and bye bye for now.